brenin, the king. Mae'n dod ar y soffa yma. Hywel Gwynfryn.
The king.
Yeah! Mae Hywel Gwynfryn wedi bod yn darlledu broadcasting ar Radio Cymru ers 1968.
What?
Before you were born, cyn I fi gael fy ngeni.
No way.
Mae'n dod o Langefni, Ynys Môn, Anglesey boy, eto.
Another Ynys Môn.
Ie, oedd e yn yr ysgol gyda mam a dad. He was in school with my mum and
No
dad.
way.
Ydy, ie. Ac mae hefyd yn ysgrifennu, mae wedi ysgrifennu 4 pantomime.
Awesome.
Ydy.
Brilliant.
Ydy mae e?
Okay.
O, nac ydy, dydy e ddim.
It's behind you.
O, ydy mae e. Ie.
Okay.
Ac, rwan, dwi'n gwybod ti'n licio bocsio.
Oh, really?
Yndwyt?
Fi'n
licio
licio,
bocsio.
yeah.
Wel, mae Hywel Gwynfryn wedi cyfweld a interviewed Muhammad Ali.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
Felly, bydda nhw yn siarad bocsio.
I didn't know that. I'm going to talk boxing with him all day.
Yeah,
That's a
o'n i'n meddwl.
fantastic story.
Mae hwnna'n greu.
Yeah, that's brilliant. I can ask
Felly,
him about
mae llawer o bethau gallen ni holi Hywel. Wrth gwrs, mae'n cyflwyno ar y teledu hefyd. Teledu a radio. Felly, mae'n brysur iawn.
Okay.
Barod am y wers?
I'm barod. I'm excited about
Iawn
this.
te?
Yes.
A fi hefyd.
Diolch.
Ar y sgrin I ddechrau. Hw.
Rwy ti wedi.
Iawn.
Rwy ti wedi. So, wyt ti wedi
Yeah.
is a question.
Da iawn.
And rwy ti wedi is you are, you
Da
did,
iawn.
whatever. Yeah,
Right.
you did.
So, rwy ti,
were.
you are, rwy ti wedi. What does wedi mean?
In the past, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like did.
So, you have.
You have.
Iawn. So, rwy ti wedi, so you have written, rwy ti wedi...
Ysgrifennu.
Yeah. You've met,
I don't know, mate. Cyfweld?
cyfarfod.
Cyfarfod.
Yeah, cyfweld.
Cyfweld is
Interview.
interview, yeah.
Da iawn.
No
So,
holi.
beth am... Yeah, exactly. So, beth am... Oh, you've interviewed Muhammad Ali.
Rwy ti wedi cyfweld Muhammad Ali.
Rwy ti wedi cyfweld a Muhammad
A
Ali.
Muhammad Ali.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ar ddechrau, iawn.
It's my first question. It's
Wrth
amazing.
gwrs,
yeah.
o'n i'n meddwl. Felly, rwy ti wedi, you have, beth ydy rwy ti wedi bod? You have been.
Been. Okay.
Bod is the verb to be, iawn?
Oh, okay. Okay.
So,
You have been.
you have been, achos, naeth Hywel Gwynfryn gyfres, he did a series, ar dy feic, I think, where he was seiclo o gwmpas y byd in different countries.
Around
He
the
was-
world.
So you've been to lots of places. Rwy ti wedi bod
I Africa.
I Africa? Oh, yeah. So
Yeah.
have you been to India? Wyt ti wedi bod I India?
Okay.
Ond hefyd, you have been broadcasting since 1968. Yeah?
Oh, so it doesn't have to be a place?
Na.
Okay.
You have been
Rwy ti
working.
wedi bod
Yeah.
o...
Working?
Gwaith-
Yn gweithio.
Yn gweithio yn y BBC.
Yeah, exactly. Rwy ti wedi bod yn
Wedi bod
gweithio
yn
yn y
gweithio
BBC ers since... Ooh, how do we say 1968? Ti'n gwybod?
1,000? 910? No?
Mil. Nah, you just say
1,000.
meal. No, you don't even have to say un, you just say meal.
Meal is 1,000 then, is
yeah.
it? So 1,000, naw,
Naw, chwech,
chwech,
wyth.
wyth.
Mae'n haws. What about 1847?
All right. 1,847, you said, is it? Pedwar, saith. Is that good?
Mae'n haws yn Gymraeg.
Do you know what, if you
ynddi?
learn that stuff, that's the important stuff, isn't it, really?
Right te, nesa. Ooh,
What is it?
hoff. Beth ydi hoff?
Favourite.
Yeah, da
Yeah.
iawn, favourite hoff. Neu,
Wyt ti'n...
mae hefyd yn golygu, wyt ti'n hoff o, fond of. Yeah, literally,
Oh,
do you
okay.
like? So, are you fond of cooking?
Wyt ti'n hoff o coginio?
Ardderchog. Do you like writing pantomimes?
Wyt ti'n hoff o ysgrifennu pantomime?
Pantomimes.
Treiglo?
No, dim treiglo, just pantomime.
Pantomime. Done.
Ardderchog. Happy.
Hapus.
Iawn
Is that okay?
te.
Are we good?
Happy.
And then rwyt ti'n is...
Oh, you like.
You like.
You like.
What did I do that accent for?
I'm doing
And
it
the
for
hand.
sure.
I have no idea. Rwyt ti'n hoff o ysgrifennu pantomime?
Yn union.
Tidy. Okay.
Perffaith.
I'm feeling today.
Ooh,
Sunday's going to be good.
Ardderchog.
Yeah.
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 Chris Neis. Dyma Hywel Gwynfryn.